How to factory reset your Samsung phone on Android. This tutorial shows you how to completely wipe your device and restore it back to factory settings. First, make sure to back up all your important data, like photos, contacts, and files, before proceeding. A factory reset will erase everything on your device. After that, open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and tap on General Management. From there, tap on Reset to open the reset options. At this point, tap on Factory Data Reset to begin the process. Let me show you. In the next step, scroll down to review everything that will be deleted from your device. From there, tap on Reset at the bottom of the screen. At this stage, enter your PIN, password, or pattern to verify your identity. Following this, tap on Delete All to confirm and start the reset process. Once done, your device will restart automatically and begin wiping all data. This may take a few minutes, so keep your device plugged in during the process. From here, once the reset is complete, your phone will boot up fresh, as if it just came out of the box. At this stage, follow the on-screen setup steps to configure your device. You can sign back into your Google account to restore any backed up data. Here's an important note. A factory reset cannot be undone. Once the process starts, all your apps, photos, contacts, and personal data will be permanently deleted. So make absolutely sure you've backed up everything important before confirming. And that's it. If this guide helped you factory reset your Samsung phone, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.